Hipódromo,馬場大馬路. Going down Avenida do Hipódromo, 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 Hipódromo. Slashes of Macau, streets of Macau, the beauty of Macau, Hipódromo of Macau. Going down Avenida do Hipódromo, 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 Hipódromo. Mama, mama, Macau, Macau, Macau. Oh, mama, Macau. Going down Avenida do Hipódromo, 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 Hipódromo.
Okay, so we're kind of at the border. Up there is the border to Zhuhai, China. So you can see this is called the border gate right there. Those are the arrivals right there. This is the departures on that side, and all the people are pouring into all of this. And what we're gonna do is we're going to go down our target street, which is over there, but I want to start at the border right here. So stay tuned for that. Let's put this up on the map so you can see the location of the target street that we have here. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is kind of near the border. And our target street is going to have a little bit of a different feel, but I kind of wanted to start here. I like to give some context into stuff. So a lot of people will come out or in the border right in this street right here. I have labeled this quite a few different times, but this particular one I'm going to start at the border. We're on a street that's not our target street. And we're going to go down. Ours is called, like, I think it's called Hipodromo. And over here is this kind of Ba Thai neighborhood. I don't know, mate. You'll see the same thing over here. So what we're doing is walking by like pharmacies and kind of all the people going to the border. And then right over here, there's this little alley that goes right to our target street. So it kind of connects it, and then we're going to be on our focus. But this little alley, they have like commerce. There's like these pallets. This whole area, there's a lot of like commerce right next to the border. So we'll walk by all of that. Lots of Hennessy and all kinds of random things. Lots of people with their suitcases. Then our particular street, there's even like people with lots of money right there. So this is our target street right here called Hipodromo. So we're gonna show you in a moment. But that's gonna be where we're gonna be walking. Before we go down, there's lots of more commerce stuff everywhere. And then this is our target street right here, Hipodromo. Okay, so before we go down it, the border is like right there. So we start right kind of at the border. So let's go down it. Show you what's on it. So yeah, I think Hipodromo, I think it means like, I forget the name of the meaning. Racetrack. So there used to be a racetrack up here. So and then that was moved to Taipa, and then it just recently closed actually. Okay, so we're gonna see our name of our street shortly. Kind of flickering lights. This kind of goes back up to the border as well, and you can also do this crosswalk and kind of move about. Got a green light here. Okay. Cafe Voyage. So our street's going to keep on going down, and it goes around a little bit, and we go into kind of a different neighborhood. So it kind of has a transition. Here's a giant do-it Michael Jordan, no, LeBron James. Cafe Voyage. Lots of people with suitcases and lots of pharmacies in this area. So a lot of people will buy stuff and bring it across to the border. So it's kind of a common theme. Over here is one of my favorite sushi restaurants. This one right here, Light Rail Sushi Express. They have a tray, you can order it. Let me see. I think this might be a Chinese medicine. I don't know, I'm not sure. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna go down to our target street, which is Avenida de Hipodromo. That was part of it down that way. So yeah, the border is directly there. We kind of came down this way, and then we also have our street sign now too. So so that's gonna be our target street. Avenida de Hipodromo. More pharmacy stuff, loudspeaker, Royal Supermarket. The border was so busy. I think that this might be a school right here. Looks like it. The schools will have like a gate around it for the kids to play, and then they'll have security as well. Okay. Avenida de Hipodromo just kind of goes around a little bit. We'll just follow it all the way down. I don't think I've followed it. Over there you can see some tall buildings. So that's like a watchtower. There's a couple, one hotel, there's a clock tower over there as well. And then this area goes, that's all goes south. And I think there's apartments called the Six-Pack Apartments in this area too. Yep, the border is like right there. So there's actually a border gate right there, and then there's immigration where we started at. Just kind of look up a little bit and see what's. And I think that the Six-Pack Apartments are down that way, so I think it's that one. And there's in that area anyways, there's something called the Six-Pack. So they're 6 city blocks. They're all the same style of housing, and they're all kind of waiting for that green light. Have to keep waiting, but they all have like a different kind of community in the middle part. There we go, there's our green light. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Let me just see here. A little bit, getting a little bit dark. I started on the border, it was so noisy. It feels funny that it's so quiet in here. Okay. go across this way. So these are edificios, like apartment, so a building, it means building. Yeah, it just feels so quiet comparatively. Yeah, Macau has different feels in different places. So the border gate area will have a different feel, and then it gets quite busy where we started at. And then as you walk away from it, it gets quite a bit more quiet. There's a key shop right there. Cardboard, washing stuff. And we're still on our target street right here. So that's Avenida Hipodromo. So it kind of curves around like that and then goes to the border gate. And then I think here, I think we have to go across like this. And then we have to go across like this. There's a park right in here. So that park is and then also in this area too, there's a soccer and basketball. I think there's so there's a enclosed field right there. And we'll keep on walking down our target street. So we're still on Avenida de Hipodromo, is right there. It kind of curves around, and I think it's going to come out near the six-pack apartments, I think. I'll confirm that when we get there. I think I'll be able to see that right around the corner in a minute. Let's see what else we can see. Little shops like that. This haircut is only 50 mop, which is about $4. No, $6, sorry. 6 American dollars as of 2026. Okay, we'll keep on walking down. And I think our street, don't know the exact ending at the moment. Okay, bus depot. The six-pack kind of looked like the way the style of the apartments is kind of similar to this. Our street kind of curves around like that. Okay, and now we have like this. Looks like you can go like four ways around this one. Let's keep on walking down it. We're still on our target street as well. Hipodromo. So yeah, if you're used to, I've been trying to record like all the different streets in Macau. So I guess I just have never really walked the length of this particular street before. So I'm kind of making an effort to do those kinds of things. And I think it ends at this park up here. So yeah, this would be Avenida de Hipodromo. Nice little chair outside. So yeah, I think this is the end of it, and then it goes to this Ion Hone neighborhood, and that's the park. So you can see people in the park and such. So yeah, this is like Ion Hone. Probably not pronouncing it properly, but and then yeah, that's the Ion Hone Park, and then this is the Hipodromo Avenue. I think the six-pack apartments is in this neighborhood. Some of the apartments look kind of similar to it, but not that important. I do have that targeted in other places. So we're going to I guess we'll end our video right there. So that's a slice of Macau for you.